A very good morning to all my dear students. Today we will be learning the division of algebraic expressions. In the previous session, we have already discussed how to divide a monomial by a monomial and how to divide a polynomial by a monomial. Now today we will be discussing that how to divide the polynomial by the binomial. If I have a polynomial as the dividend and the binomial as the divisor, right, then the second method which we had learned, how to divide a polynomial by the monomial, that won't be possible over here, right? So we have to do this by using the long division method. Now long division method we already know, right? I will just take one small example first of all. If I want to divide a number, right, suppose I want to divide like this, right? So what is my first step? I try to eliminate the higher place first, right? I try to eliminate. I take 5 first, I don't take 6 first, right? So similarly, when we want to do the division of polynomial also, my first step is that I have to arrange the dividend and the divisor in the descending order of their degrees. Right, so the first step is we have to arrange in the descending order of their degrees, right? Now let us understand step by step division of the polynomial by the binomial by taking an example over here. So I am considering an example. Here my divisor is x raised to 2 plus 4x plus 5, which is divided by x plus 2, right? So now my first step is arrange in descending order. Now here you can see that the degrees are already arranged in the descending order, right? The highest degree is 2, so that is the first term, then the second term, and then the last term. So no need to do the arrangement over here. Now my second step is divide the first term of the dividend, right? We have to divide the first term of the dividend with the first term of the divisor to get what? To get the first term of the quotient. So now let us do the division over here. So I am doing it over here, x square by x. So that will be x raised to 2 minus 1, and that will be nothing but x. So my first term of the quotient will be x. Now what is the third step? Now we have to multiply each term of the divisor with the quotient. So this will be x multiplied by x, and this will be x square. Now 2 multiplied by x, so here it will be 2x. Now like normal division, what we have to do? We have to subtract. So by when we are subtracting the algebraic expression, what will happen? The sign will change, right? So this will become 0 and 4x. Now we have to consider the new sign. So 4x minus 2x, so that will be 2x plus 5, right? Now same thing we have to follow, right? So now this will be my new dividend. Now same process I have to follow. So from which step I have to follow? From the second step I have to follow the same thing. So here what I have to do? So here I have to divide 2x by x. So that will be only number 2. So this will be plus 2. No sign is there means you have to take plus sign. So this will be 2x plus 2 2s are 4. Now again do the subtraction. So this will be then we will be left with 1. Now what we have to do? When you will stop? You have to stop the process till you get the remainder as 0 or the degree of the remainder is less than the divisor. Here you can see the degree of the remainder divisor is 1, but here the degree of the remainder is 0. So now this will be our last step and we cannot further divide this. So here my quotient will be x plus 2 and my remainder would be 1. It is not at all necessary that the remainder is always 0. Now let us take another example. So here my dividend is 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus 5x minus 3, and my divisor is 2x minus 3. Now here also it is already arranged in the descending order. So what we have to do? First we have to divide the first term of the dividend with the first term of the divisor to get the first term of the quotient. So 2x cubed divided by 2x. So this will get cancelled and this will be left with 2x sorry, x square. So this will be x square. Here you will get 2x cube minus 3 multiplied by x square. So that will be minus 3x square. Now minus and plus. So this will get cancel out. So it will become 0. Minus plus, it will be minus, since 5 is a bigger number. So this will give me minus 2x square. We have to write all the terms of the dividend, right? The remaining terms we have to take all together down. We will not do like a normal division, right? Now what we have to do, again same thing, right? So now my dividend is minus 2x square plus 5x minus 3. So now the first term will be minus 2x square divided by 2x. So this will give me minus 1x, or else we can simply write minus x. So this will be minus 2x square minus minus plus 3x. So now remember that the sign of the dividend and the product with what we are doing, the first term should be same. Here you can see that minus and minus, then only it will get cancel out, right? For an example, if you are taking plus x, then you will not be able to cancel it out, right? Because we are subtracting the terms over here and not adding, right? So this will become 0. Here it will be 5x minus 3x, so that will be 2x minus 3. Right now here you can see 2x and here also 2x. So with what number I have to multiply 2x to get 2x? 1. Right? So here my last term of the quotient would be 1, and that would give me 2x minus 3. So minus and plus. So this will give me 0. Right? So this is how you divide it. Now let us try to understand that how to verify this, right? How to verify this. So let me note down the quotient and the divisor and the dividend over here. My quotient here is x square minus x plus 1. My divisor over here is 2x minus 3, and my dividend over here is 2x cube minus 5x square plus 5x minus 3, right? Now the verification of this is very simple. I should get the dividend when I multiply the divisor with the quotient and I add the remainder, right? So now let us try to sort out the right hand side first. So the right hand side is nothing but divisor multiplied by quotient plus the remainder, right? So now here what is my divisor? Divisor is 2x minus 3. Here I have x square minus x plus 1, and the remainder is 0. So now let us do the multiplication. So this will be 2x multiplied by x square minus x plus 1 minus 3 multiplied by x square minus x plus 1. So this will give me 2x cube minus 2x square plus 2x minus 3x square plus 3x minus 3. So further, if I simplify the like terms, I will be getting 2x cube. Now these two are like terms. So this will be minus 5x square plus 5x minus 3, which is nothing but my dividend, right? That means the division which I have done is correct. So this is how you divide the algebraic expressions, and this is how you verify the division. Thank you.